Hello, enthusiast. Welcome back to Cardio Forte for Life. What if I told you that your morning smoothie, the same one you can make in 5 minutes, could actually lower cholesterol, balance blood pressure, and protect your arteries like natural heart medicine? Today, I'll show you how to make a Cinnamon Banana Oat Smoothie, a creamy, comforting blend that tastes like breakfast indulgence but works like daily heart therapy. No pills, no complicated diet. Just real food with real science. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make it, why it works, and how to turn it into a powerful heart health ritual that starts your day right. Why breakfast smoothies matter. Mornings set the rhythm for your entire day, including your heart. If you start with sugar-loaded coffee or fried food, your blood sugar spikes, your insulin rises, and your arteries feel the pressure before the day has even begun. But when you begin your morning with fiber, potassium, antioxidants, and plant-based omega-3s, you're sending your body a very different message. Stay calm, stay strong, stay balanced. That's why breakfast smoothies like this one aren't just convenient. They're strategic nutrition for your heart. They lower cholesterol naturally thanks to oats and flax, balance blood pressure through potassium-rich bananas, reduce inflammation through cinnamon and antioxidants. And the best part, it feels like a treat, not a health plan. The recipe: Cinnamon Banana Oat Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, ½ cup rolled oats, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon flax seeds or chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or oat milk, 1 teaspoon raw honey, optional for sweetness. Directions: blend until creamy and thick. Serve fresh. It's like comfort food in a glass. Warm, grounding, and heart strengthening with every sip. Ingredient: deep dive. Banana. The potassium protector bananas are one of nature's most heart-supportive foods. A single medium banana packs around 400 milligrams of potassium, which helps the body flush out excess sodium, a key factor in controlling blood pressure. According to the American Heart Association, diets rich in potassium can reduce stroke risk by up to 27%. Bananas also supply vitamin B6, which helps your body form red blood cells and supports oxygen delivery throughout your circulatory system. Pro tip: freeze ripe bananas in chunks for creamier smoothies. It adds an ice cream-like texture without any guilt. Oats. The cholesterol cleaner oats are your heart's best friend, literally. They're packed with beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in your gut and carries it out of your body before it enters your bloodstream. Clinical studies show that eating oats daily can reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, by up to 10% within just 4 weeks. But oats do more than clean your arteries. They help stabilize blood sugar, preventing the energy roller coaster that stresses your cardiovascular system. Pro tip: use rolled or steel-cut oats instead of instant. Instant oats lose fiber and nutrients during processing. Cinnamon, the artery relaxer. Here's where flavor meets function. Cinnamon isn't just a spice, it's a medicinal powerhouse. It contains cinnamaldehyde, a compound proven to relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation in arterial walls. Research has shown that just 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon daily can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels in people with metabolic syndrome. Cinnamon also improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body manage blood sugar more efficiently, a major win for your heart. Pro tip: choose Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon. It's richer in antioxidants and safer for daily use than the more common cassia variety. Flax seeds or chia seeds, the tiny shields. Never underestimate the power of tiny seeds. Both flax and chia are packed with ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that helps reduce arterial inflammation. They also deliver soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge, trapping cholesterol and helping remove it from the body naturally. Beyond that, they're excellent for digestion and keep you full longer, preventing overeating. Pro tip: grind flax seeds before blending. Whole seeds can pass through undigested, meaning you lose their heart benefits. Almond or oat milk, the heart-friendly base. Your smoothie base matters more than you think. Almond milk provides vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects artery walls from oxidative damage. Oat milk adds extra beta-glucan fiber, doubling the cholesterol-lowering benefits. Both are low in saturated fat and easy to digest, ideal for a light, heart-healthy morning. Pro tip: stick with unsweetened varieties. Sweetened milks often hide 10 to 15 grams of added sugar per serving, which negates the benefits. Honey. the gentle sweetener. Raw honey adds natural antioxidants and a touch of energy. It's optional. Your banana provides enough sweetness for most tastes. When used sparingly, honey also offers polyphenols that help reduce oxidative stress, another plus for your arteries. How these ingredients work together. Let's connect the dots. This smoothie is a synergy of ingredients designed to balance, protect, and nourish your heart. Banana. Potassium flushes sodium, lowering blood pressure. Oats plus flax. Fiber lowers LDL cholesterol. Cinnamon improves artery flexibility and blood flow. Almond oat milk adds antioxidants and a smooth, creamy base. Together, they form a heart-calming combination that stabilizes energy, improves mood, and supports long-term cardiovascular health. Practical tips, making it work for you. Meal prep hack. Pre-portion your oats, cinnamon, and flax seeds into small jars or bags. In the morning, just add banana and milk, blend, and you're done. Storage tip. This smoothie keeps in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Shake well before drinking if it thickens. Best time to drink, breakfast or mid-morning. It keeps you full, steady, and focused. No crash, no cravings. Mini success story, the 1-week challenge. Imagine replacing your usual breakfast with this smoothie for just 1 week. Day 1, you feel fuller and more energized. Day 3, your digestion improves and your stomach feels lighter. Day 5, your energy stays steady all morning. Day 7, you notice your blood pressure readings look better. It's not magic, it's consistency. Your heart doesn't need perfection, it just needs repetition of good choices. Lifestyle connection. Pair this smoothie with small habits for even bigger results. 10-minute morning walk boosts circulation and oxygen flow. Deep breathing reduces cortisol and arterial tension. Hydrate. Start your day with a glass of water before your smoothie. Each habit compounds. Together, they create a heart-friendly morning rhythm that fuels your body and calms your mind. Supplement synergy. For extra cardiovascular support, pair this smoothie with Forte for Life. It provides 5,000 milligrams of L-arginine and antioxidants that boost nitric oxide production. The same artery-relaxing effect you get from bananas and oats. Food and supplement working together. That's what modern natural heart care looks like. Every morning you make a choice. Quick sugar rush or steady heart fuel. This Cinnamon Banana Oat Smoothie is proof that food can heal. Each sip nourishes, balances, and strengthens your heart naturally. Try it tomorrow morning. Feel the calm energy. Share this recipe with someone who needs heart support. And remember, your heart doesn't just need care, it needs consistency. Like, subscribe, and visit cardiofortforlife.com for more natural remedies, smoothie recipes, and heart-healthy living tips. Because your mornings shape your future, and your heart deserves the best start every single day.